In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display image when hovering over a cell in Excel. This quick trick uses a note, sometimes called a comment in older versions, to pop up an image only when your mouse hovers over a specific cell. It's great for showing product photos, diagrams, or quick visual references without cluttering your worksheet. Start by selecting the cell where you want the image to appear. Right-click that cell and choose New Note. If you're using an older version of Excel, the option may be Insert Comment instead. A small note box will appear next to your cell. You don't need text here, so delete anything Excel adds by default. You might see your name or initials. Just clear it out so the box is empty. Next, move your cursor over the border of the note. When the cursor changes to a four-headed arrow, click to select the note's border. This tells Excel you want to format the note itself, not type inside it. If you want a larger preview later, you can gently drag the corners now to resize the note area, but you can also adjust this after adding the image. With the border still selected, right-click the note's edge and choose Format Comment. In some versions, this will be called Format Shape. Both options take you to the formatting panel you need. In the Format dialog, go to the Colors and Lines tab, open the Color drop-down and select Fill Effects. Then switch to the Picture tab and click Select Picture. Depending on your version, you might see a picture or texture fill option under the Fill section. Choose that, then select your picture. Now pick the image you want. You can browse files on your computer or use an online source such as a built-in image search. Select your image and click Insert. Larger images may increase file size, so choose a balanced resolution for clarity without making the workbook heavy. Back in the formatting window, check Lock Picture Aspect Ratio if it's available. This prevents your image from stretching out of shape when the note is resized. Click OK to apply all changes. Time to test it. Move your mouse away so the note hides. Now, hover your cursor back over the cell. The note appears and your image shows right inside it. If you want the image a bit bigger or smaller, hover again, select the note's border, and resize as needed. That's it. Your hover to view image is ready. If this tutorial helped, give it a like and subscribe for more practical Excel tips and tutorials.